Hey everyone, welcome back to Vtec Garage. It's been a little minute, took a break, had to take a family vacation, so I was in Disneyland. It kicked my butt, too much walking for me, so my legs killing me. But yeah, out here hanging out, smoking a cigar. As I said before, I'm a cigar connoisseur, so without further ado, let's get into it. So, updates. I finally got my ECU back from HyperWorks. Anthony installed the S300 into my P28 ECU, put a base map on it. So here it is. So I'm happy about that. So it is ready to go when I'm ready to start the engine up. Also, a few things I noticed on the engine, just little details, but well, for one, I'm waiting on a sensor to come in, a temp sensor right there. I broke it. I tightened it too much and broke it off. So, so I'm waiting on that. Also, there was a bolt that you need for the tensioner pulley for the AC compressor. When I ordered the AC bracket that came with the hardware, I noticed that the tensioner would not tighten the belt, and I kept messing with it and noticed that the screw that that pushes that pulley up, is it was broken. So it wasn't the full length to tighten that pulley. So I ordered that from the dealership. So I'm waiting on that to come in. Actually, it should come in today. I ordered it before I went on vacation. So I'm waiting on that so I can tighten up the AC compressor belt. And then that way I can go ahead and crank it up. So went to the dealership. Let's go to my OEM department here in the garage. Went to the dealership, picked up oil filter, some coolant, transmission fluid. So yeah, so that's ready to go with that. So I think that'll be the next thing I'm going to attempt to do is put the fluid in, make sure the belts are good and tight, and just try to crank it up and just see how it turns over. Just let it run for about 10-20 seconds just to see what it sounds like. Still got to get a full catback exhaust, still got to do that. And before I'm able to put it out on the road, drop it out on the road. So we're getting there. Just little things here and there. Hope this is enough content for you guys. Like I said, I'll try to do a better job going forward, but that's where we're at right now. Hey, welcome back to Vtec Garage. Look what I got. I got some Rywire OBD2 to OBD1, actually OBD1, OBD2 injector adapters. So because my engine is, well, the injectors are OBD2, so I got them unplugged right now. So everything else is connected, harness is connected, ready to go. I'm just waiting on this stupid sensor I broke still. Everything is buttoned up, ready to go, throttle cables on, everything. And I'm just gonna prime the engine, let the oil circulate through before I actually initially start it up. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do now. All right, guys, moment of truth. I'm just going to try to start the engine up, let it run for a few seconds or so, and see how the motor sounds. So here goes nothing. Cross your fingers. And just like that, my battery is dead. I just charged this battery. I don't know why it's dead, but it is. Try it one more time. Yeah, I don't know. I think this battery's draining some reason. I don't know how, because like I said, it's a brand new battery. But I do smell gas. So I don't think the fuel rail is tight quite enough. So I do smell gas. So I'm gonna address that issue first, and then come back in a later video and try to start the car again. Okay, I noticed the bolt on at the end of the fuel rail here with the crush washer, it wasn't tight, so I tightened some more. So let's give it another shot and see what happens. Oh, camera almost fell. Holy crap. Okay. I don't think it's a battery. It could be my starter. Okay, at this point, I'm convinced it's the battery. So I don't smell any gas anymore. So I think I fixed the gas leak issue. So I'm gonna have to charge my battery up again, even though it's a brand new battery. And stay tuned.